welcome back to my channel. It is me, Nessa Eileen. So today I am going to be planning with a Planning World full kit. This is number B189 and it's Valentine's Day theme. So this is a full kit for Planning World, or I'm not sure if she's already reformatted or not, but I'm not sure if this is an old format or not. But for this full kit, I have 8 full boxes on the front page and then 8 full boxes on the second page, and these are more blank full boxes. And then I got some glitter headers, sorry, I should say foil headers, some quarter-size fancy labels. I have the daily and the weekly habit trackers. I like that the daily habit trackers have straight lines on them so that I can cut them and I can use them for my waking up schedule, I guess, for the times that I wake up. And then the day covers and the bottom washi, and then just some extra washi strips. Bow icons, some little baby bow icons. 3 heart check flags, some icons, some more flags that looks like small page flags, and then longer page flags, and the deco, of course. I've been putting down my base off screen and then coming back with you after that is all done, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. These are the pages that I have used currently. So the day cover and bottom washi page, you can see that I cut it for to use them as headers. I guess the deepest pink on the sheet, and then I used the first page of full boxes, the more foiled deco looking full boxes. I used 2 of the blank full boxes. I did bring in these date dots from an old Planning World kit. This kit did not come with date stickers. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and cut one of these off screen, probably this one, and then I'm going to use, I can use these half boxes for my dinners, for marking down dinners, and then these quarter-sized labels for marking down sleep. So I'm going to go ahead and do those off screen. I have all my stuff all piled up here because I put it away so that my cats wouldn't eat it while I was gone at work. So Monday, I woke up, let's just write in. Should I use this? So we're gonna go 7 A.M. Pizza rolls. We really didn't have a side, except for if you count like Lay's chips as a side. Okay, this looks weird, but okay, what else do I have? Film, play Minecraft, watch YouTube, binge SAO, which is Sword Art Online, and clean the letterbox. So let's see what kind of things we can pull in. Let's try and figure something out. Okay, nope, don't need those. Oh, look, I got scratched. Not by my cats. Can you see it? I got scratched when I was reaching for something over the counter, and my cat's dry food was on there, and I got scratched by the corner of the bag, and it burns. This will be for filming. Do I have anything here that's like video games? No. So this one will be for playing Minecraft. Okay, that's not bad. I'm gonna go ahead and just write in as I'm going. Okay, I think I just made it ugly, but whatever. I recently just bought some chores, the same Pantone from Planning World, like tone, wait, what am I saying? Chores heart icons, and those will be in probably 3 weeks. They'll probably be here. Okay, I think I want to put it like this, pointing in this direction. Oh, this is cute. Okay, I like hardly ever like plan with flags like these, so this is exciting for filming. I be a little bit of variance. Oh, I squeezed it in there. Okay, that was a little, I feel like I was being a little cocky there, but you know, whatever. I'm gonna use one of these cute little bows icons. I like that these kits come with these really cute little bow icons. So cute. There's the thing. Glitter box. Okay. Now let's see, let's try and get it back on there. There we go, with the little bow at the end. That's cute. Okay, there's Monday. Cheers. In Spanish, we say salud, or I don't know if it's just in Spanish everywhere or if it's just in Mexico. I am Mexican American. If you do not know, I went to school for like Spanish, like that's my major in college. That was my major in college, I guess. Now that I've graduated. Well, my teacher told me when I was doing my final project, because I was speaking in my essay about dialects, and he said that Mexican, like when we're talking about like Latin American Spanish, that Mexican Spanish is basically general Spanish as opposed to Spanish from Spain, which I think is called Castellano or Castilian. I think that's what it's called. I forget. I always forget what they call it actually. For dinner we had pork chops and broccoli. Yeah, there's some like different sayings like region-wise, and that's really what like dialects are. I need my phone so I can see how to spell broccoli. Like, you know, when you're just not sure. In Latin America, or more specifically, at least in the United States, Northern America, tortas is like a sandwich. It means cake in Spain. But if you say torta in Mexico or here in where I'm from, the United States, or more specifically Arizona, you'll see torta shops, and tortas are sandwiches. So that's pretty crazy. That's pretty cool actually. I love it. I love it. I love that, like learning about like different dialects and like the different meanings of different words. But yeah, fun facts with Vanessa, I guess. This flag. Okay, I want to use this flag like this. And then edit, upload, I can use my little Pantone stickers. Okay, so I'm gonna use this. I need to do work. Okay, I'm gonna put down work first. Okay, this is all over the place. I'm sorry. It's great. Okay, is that straight down? I think it is. We're just gonna pretend like it is. So that's what work. Just wanna put that down first because it's a whole straight edge. And I feel like it will help me stay aligned better. Okay, can I mark down something else? Read. How many times did I read this week? Tuesday and Wednesday. No, nope, Tuesday and Thursday I read. Am I gonna read more this week? Probably not, probably not. Oh, these are from Scribble Prints Co. We're wondering. Work, I went in, I always go in at 9 o'clock in the morning. Okay, I'm gonna write read, and then I'm gonna write Sienna. I'm not gonna write the whole name. And binge, sort of online. So we're gonna do like this. Plan with a heart and an exclamation mark to fill up space. And then the microphones for edit and upload. My go-to is usually hearts. I think I'm just gonna add some dots. What if I add some deco? That'd be nice. Way to fill up space. Wow. Look at Vanessa. She's actually using deco. Maybe. I don't know. Let's find out. I think I'm gonna use the high heels. Sure, why not? I'll use the high heels. You know what? I don't know. I'm feeling kind of talkative, I guess. So let's do Wednesday together. It's usually I don't do these other days because I don't have a lot to say, you know. Oh wait, hold on. I'm sorry. I totally almost forgot to do the binge essay. yeah. Should I do that with another one of these? Or should I do that with one of these? This one or this one? Or should I do, I'm gonna use one of these because they're really cute and little and I was gonna say a million, but that's just me being dramatic, you know? Binge SAO, or do I have enough? Sword art. I feel like I might have enough for sword art, and I don't. Oh, I barely do. Wow, I had to squeeze it in there, but it's there. Whew, okay. I feel like I'm like out of breath. Is that just my asthma talking? I don't know. Wednesday, I also woke up at 7. This was a pretty consistent week for me waking up, except for today. Today I woke up at like 8. That's a weird M. I don't do my M's like that. I don't know, my marker got stuck. Alright, work, litter box. Okay, so, okay, yeah, so I had work. Should I use a purple? I'm gonna use a purple since it's in, or is this purple? This is more like grayish, but I feel like it's okay. Now you can see it better. I'm sorry, I'm all over the place right now, but am I gonna edit it? I don't know. Should I edit all these random things that I say out? Should I? Give me your opinion. Comment down below if I should. I don't think it's crooked. Oh, who knows? Whatever. If it is, it is. It's too late now. So work, film, this plan with me. I started filming on Wednesday and now it's Friday. To be fair, I didn't film at all yesterday because I had to plan this week. I hadn't planned this week yet. I was just kind of freeballing. You already know. Film. Sorry, that's loud. You already know. Film. What did I use for a little box? I used a little bow icon. Okay, there. We're good. I have actual like bow stickers from like Clever Gal Crafts that I could, no, you know what, that's too much. Let's see, do I have, if I have enough room for that. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. How many did I fit here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So yeah, probably not gonna have enough room for it because those bows are bigger than these bows. And like 2 days ago, I think it was on Thursday. I think it was on Wednesday. And all that does just like, it got all my allergies acting up. Sword art. I can use another one of these or these. Oh, I can use this one for Animal Crossing. Okay, well not this one, you know what I mean, not this one specifically, but the one below it. Okay, work. I want to use one of these, so I'm going to use this one, and I'm going to do it for Animal Crossing. I started pushing down. I kind of want to. Okay, let's do it like this. Villager hunting. I feel like that's okay. I don't know what that means. I mean, that's kind of, oh gosh. I think I have some, okay, yeah, I do have some. For filming, I'm going to do another camera. And then I'm going to stick this bow right here. And this one's going to be for cleaning the litter box. Oops, sorry, that's loud. That's cute. That would look better if I used the purple Sharpie, but there we go. Not that bad. Did I forget to write in dinner? Sam, I'm doing them all over the place. All over the place. I went to sleep at about 11 o'clock. I woke up late. I don't have any stories to tell you. I'm so sorry. If you would like to know anything, please comment them down below and I will talk about it in my next Plan With Me. I woke up at 6:30 this day for dinner. Me and my husband Oh, he made steaks. Oh, he cooks so good. And sweet potato fries. I think I messed it up. Sweet pot. No. I always think it's, okay, it's P-O-T-A-T-O, potato, right? But I don't know why, but I always feel like there needs to be an E at the end of potato. But I guess not. Sweet potato, it is just po-te or pota, toe, no E at the end. All right, spelling lessons with Vanessa.
It's too late to apologize.
I'm good. I start freaking out for nothing. Didn't work for reading. Oh, yes. I used the little,
washi strip. Okay, I got it. Okay, we're gonna do heart, plan, exclamation mark, bam, and you can still see the,
we Gucci. Okay, let's just do the little bow, you know. Bite the bullet. I was about to say bite the dust, but that's, that means something else. There, like little circles and some hearts, some open hearts. All right, today's Friday, and I haven't planned Saturday or Sunday out, so wait, there we go about that. We're just gonna have to leave those days blank, I guess. I'm sorry, but I'll eventually post this spread on my Instagram. If you want to know what my Instagram is, it is linked down below in the description. I don't know why my computer's making weird noises too. It's on, but I don't know why it's making it's really working. I need to update it. I need to clean it out too. I need to dust it. Extra things that I have: edit, upload, publish vlog. I do have a vlog that needs to be published today. Ooh, I'm running out of memory. Okay, let's do this quickly. All right, we're gonna do edit, upload, this one. Okay, this is like speed now. I gotta go fast. She is on fire. This girl is on fire. This girl is on fire. I don't even know if that was right in the right key, but oh, that's a little cricket. Publish vlog. So I'm gonna use a little YouTube heart icon. Oh no, just kidding. I'm not gonna use the little font for that. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, it's a little cricket. Ah, I feel so like, oh. Let's write them in because I'm gonna forget. All right, we are finished here. Oh, my husband just turned on the shower. It is later in the day. I actually edited all the clips before this one. Okay, there we go. Had lunch and, you know, let this battery recharge a little bit, and now I'm back to show you the finished spread, everything all put together. Of course, Saturday and Sunday haven't happened yet, so I'm going to leave them blank, and then I'll fill them out when they do happen and before I post this spread on my Instagram, if it gets posted on my Instagram. That is it for this video. Please make sure to like this video if you did like it. Feel free to comment and subscribe if you haven't done that already, and I will speak to you in the next video. Bye! And look, I cut my nails. Okay, bye!